Stop underpricing your work, calculate the real cost of your time, overhead and value. So this is a true cost calculator, and as you can see, I will just run it through this little app, and you can create this in like 5 to 10 minutes depending on your bugs. You can download it if you don't want to check out the rest of the video and test it out. Let me know in the comments how it works. But for all of those who wants to check out my protocol, my RAD or Rapid Application Development Protocol, you can check out my video. I also included that into the description. So, okay, people involved, let's say 3 people. Our hourly rate is 20 bucks, total duration is 10 hours, and we have overhead of 10% and profit to be just 10%. We calculate, and it says that this project should cost $726. We can copy this inside into clipboard, so copy it out, paste it out. If I go to Notepad and paste it here, you can see I just realized my 10-hour project should cost $726, so I have definitely been undercharging. So let me show you how I work on this, and I hope it will help you to learn something new. Step 1 is to define the persona and the logic, and I have this RAD or Rapid Application Development steps. You can download them also with the tool. So I just paste it here, and I will change this to invoice generator instead of pricing simulator, which you can download also if you want, and just hit run. So we define here ideal target audience, exact input fields, and some core mathematical formulas. Okay, I go back to my RAD, and we are going now with the UE and UX. So let's feed the prompt to the ChatGPT, and we are waiting. We are always waiting. That's the business, that's the style. And after a few moments, we defined our UI UX, high contrast color palette, recommended layout system, everything is here. You can see this. And the next step is we want to bulletproof the whole app because we don't want errors, but it's not a guarantee. But let's run it. This is a HTML and CSS with JavaScript application, which means we can put it in one little file, and you can share that file. You can upload it via Cloudflare or Netlify, like that, or GitHub pages, and you can practically host this application on any static server provider. Sounds very, very, very smart. Okay, we are done with the step 3 guardrails and edge cases. We move to the high logic and heavy artillery. This means we are going with the final prompt. So we need a master coding prompt for a Gemini. Gemini could Jebediah. Alright, we are done. So copy and paste into Gemini. And under tools, make sure to select Canvas because we will iterate this few times, and we want Canvas to be faster because the AI, if you run it all the time from the beginning, it will hallucinate and it will just bad. Okay, we have our tool ready, our app is ready, but we don't want to test it here. We will share, copy contents, Visual Studio Code, download it. I will leave a link. It's a super awesome code editor. Go to file, new text file, paste it here. I thought we won't have any problems here, you can see, but don't worry, for now we will fix that later. Control S to save it, and this will be our invoice generator, and we want to test it out on a Google Chrome. In a Google Chrome, open it up. It's on my second Google Chrome, I have 5 of them. Okay, MicroTool, true cost calculator. Stop underpricing your work, calculate the real cost of your time, overhead and value. True cost calculator, invoice, people involved, I don't know, 4. Average hourly rate €50. We will change this so we can have a drop down in currency. Total duration 2 hours, overhead 20% and profit margin to calculate the true cost. This project should cost $576. Copy inside to clipboard. So we copy to clipboard, and if we open Notepad, for example, Notepad. So where is my Notepad? It's here, but it's not called a Notepad. Okay, let's check it out inside. I just realized my 2-hour project should cost definitely been undercharging. Calculate yours at truthcostcalculator.com. We'll remove that. So we go back to the Gemini, and we will ask the Gemini to add a little bit juices for a user, because we want to user, or you or me or everyone else, to understand what is happening. So add a drop down and remove from the final insight. Oh, ooh, looking fancy. So we will again share it, copy contents, go to Visual Studio, Control A, paste, Control S to save, go back. We can install this automatic refresher, but it's just a little file, so we refresh it. Let's just calculate to see that's of your time. So people involved. Okay, average we go into bucks, $70. Total duration of 3 hours. Copy inside to clipboard, check it out into Notepad, paste, it's just fine. Looking fine and dandy, and also define the standard appearance for compatibility. We will just screenshot this, shift Windows and S, and then you go Control C to copy. You don't want to save it, just copy it and paste it here. Say I got error. We copy contents, we go back, we go no problems here. And this is our true cost calculator. You can download it from the link in the description or comments, whatever. I include my RAD inside it, and you can check out the procrastination calculator that you can see on the screen, and download it. Let me know how it works for you, how it sounds, what to add more, so we can make a huge app together if you want. If you don't want, just download it and have some fun seeing some other video.